Do you think this is a joke? Do you still think it's funny? Don't you know what you did can make others upset? Not just upset, but also can make them stressed, depressed, or worse, injuring themselves and eventually committing suicide. Mind your words. If not, you will be the cause for the misery and contribute to cyberbullying. Cyberbullies kill people's souls, and it has been normalized in our society. Not only in Malaysia, but almost all over the world are facing this issue.
Cyberbullying is actually one of the common problems that we face right now in our world, and cyberbullying is actually something which is quite dangerous for all the people out there. Where cyberbullying is someone bullied you through the internet and so on.
The thing about cyberbullying is a lot of people don't realize how dangerous it is. You talk about someone's appearance or a drawing someone made, you call it bad, and you don't realize how much of an impact they make to their mentality. It may cause to depression, even suicide. So next time you think about bullying someone, put yourself in their shoes and think how would you feel if someone talked to you that way.
So, I hate cyberbullying. Please stop all this. It is not a good thing. You can't just spread anything that you think it is good for you, but it's not good for everyone. Not everything you can make as jokes. So please stop this cyberbullying. Mind your texting.
When people hurt you over and over, think of them like sandpaper. They may scratch you and hurt you a bit, but in the end, you end up polished and they end up useless.
The cyberbullying thing is happening all over the internet, you know, right? This happens to me all the times. When I post on Reels or some type video on the internet, it happens to me all the time. You know, don't worry about it, just let go of the people. It's always boost your videos to make you grow bigger, you know. So just ignore these type of guys. These type of guys always spread negativity in all over the internet. So don't worry about them. Just focus on your goals right now.
I just want to talk to you guys. Like, I don't know what you guys are going through, you know, but I just want you guys to be aware, you know, with what you say and what you type, you know, because everybody needs to be treated, you know, the way you wanted it to be treated, you know. So there's not room for, like, you know, to condemn or to cyberbully, you know, some like a human being like you know, is very wrong, you know. So I just want to say, in my own opinion, you know, like treating each other, you know, in a good way is, you speak a lot, you know. Then it show how the people, like, you know, how you really care about people, you know. It really shows a lot, you know.
Please stop cyberbullying and let's build a positive social environment and not occasionally hurt someone with words, because words are sharper than swords.
To a person who is being cyberbullied, I want you to know that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are needed, you are alive for a reason, you are stronger than you think, you're gonna get through this. So don't give up.
There is a lot of people who have been cyberbully victims. Would you mind becoming the people with heart and feelings? We should be a buddy, not a bully. Try to put yourself in their shoes. If you don't care, then who else will? Be strong, buddy.
So for those out there who are the victims of cyberbullying, I just want to say that be strong.
Be strong.
Please be strong and stay strong.
Be strong.
Be strong.
Be strong, you know.
And be strong.
Please be strong.